December 2019, when China reported the first ever case of novel coronavirus. Since then, more than 14 lakh of people have died worldwide till November 2020. Public figures have called it the worst crisis we are facing now after World War II. This is unprecedented global pandemic we are facing now. Mumbai is at standstill position. Normally, it used to bustle with workers, families and tourists. Now, most of the workplaces had reduced staffing. Restaurants or bare iconic attractions are eerily closed and quiet. This is the biggest lockdown in the world. Night of 24th of March 2020, when a mammoth population of 1.3 billion people has been restricted inside their homes, and transport services, schools, factories, business establishment, everything was closed. And that was the start of world's biggest lockdown in the history. (8 p.m. 24 March). Prime Minister Narendra Modi announced that India would shut down in 4 hours. As he spoke, showers erupted all over the India. Panicked mobs besieged the shops. Then, as buses and trains were cancelled, millions of migrant workers took to the roads on foot and streaming towards home in the scenes we can see. They were desperate to return to their villages due to lack of money, food and shelter. There was the condition of starvation everywhere. The government's abrupt declaration of lockdown without gradual leading created panic situation among the people. Later on, government provided food and allowed the public transport for the migrant workers. This virus has fueled a significant global economic downturn and fundamentally changed the way we used to live before. This is challenging time. If you need help, reach out. We can help one another. Even though we are apart, we are all in this together. So stay home and stay safe.